To change Robinhood to Candlesticks, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Navigate to the stock or asset you want to view in candlestick format. Tap the chart icon located at the bottom of the screen to view the chart. By default, Robinhood displays charts in a line graph format, so you will need to change the settings to view candlesticks. Tap the settings icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, and select the chart type. Choose the candlestick option from the available chart types. This will change the chart display to a candlestick format, which provides more detailed information about price movements. In a candlestick chart, each candle represents a specific time period, such as 1 day or 1 hour. The body of the candle represents the open and close prices, while the wicks represent the high and low prices. A green candle indicates a price increase, while a red candle indicates a price decrease. To get the most out of candlestick charts, it is essential to understand the different patterns that can form. These patterns can provide valuable insights into market trends and potential price movements. Some common candlestick patterns include hammer, shooting star, and engulfing patterns. By changing the chart type to candlesticks on Robinhood, you can gain a better understanding of market trends and make more informed investment decisions. Candlestick charts can be a powerful tool for both beginner and experienced investors, providing valuable insights into price movements and market trends.